So when I was looking for a personal blender to take with me on a trip, these two seem to be pretty popular on here. So I figured let's compare the cheaper Hamilton Beach to the more expensive Ninja. They both have similar dimensions as far as 16-ounce cups, and the bases are somewhat similar in size, even though the Ninja is slightly bigger. But after doing a quick unboxing of each, I realized why the Ninja is more expensive. For one, you get more stuff with it, an extra cup and lid. You also get a recipe book. The Ninja is a little more heavy duty, seems like better quality, and the lid for the Hamilton Beach seems like it's pretty cheap. Not only that, it's kind of hard to get on and off of the cup compared to what you get with Ninja, where either the base or the lid just screws right on and off with no problems. But I know a lot of how they look, how they're made, it's sort of subjective and maybe personal preference for a lot of people. But when I started to make my usual shakes with these using carrots, spinach, bananas, strawberries, peaches, and then almond milk, it became pretty apparent that the 700 watt Ninja handled it without any problems. While the Hamilton Beach did struggle a little bit and it took longer to blend. Not only that, it seems like there's a lot more chunks, or it just doesn't blend everything down into fine pieces like you get with the Ninja. The Ninja also has rubber there on the bottom of the base, so it's not really going to move around. The Hamilton Beach one kind of slides all around unless you hold it still with your hands while pushing the button. Not to mention the lid on the cup, it's not really sealed off like the Ninja. So hopefully you don't accidentally turn this one upside down or have it get knocked over, because I'm pretty sure that's going to leak everywhere. So in my opinion, it's pretty easy to recommend the Ninja over the Hamilton Beach. After this comparison, it not only blends better, it's easier to use just by pushing down on the top versus holding everything so it doesn't move around while pushing the button on the Hamilton Beach. It also has a lot more power and just feels like it's gonna last years compared to the Hamilton Beach, which just feels a little too cheap for me, even if the price seems tempting. I feel like this one was a pretty easy win for the Ninja. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.